Finally today, 4-H members from around Oklahoma spent a few days taking over the OSU campus this past week for the annual and much beloved 4-H State Roundup. Our intern, Grace Wright, put together our story.
So today we're here at the Oklahoma State University campus and we are here attending 4-H Roundup. So here at 4-H Roundup we have kids from all over the state that are coming here and they're all 4-H members, so we're able to take different ideas that other 4-H members have during when we have workshops, and then we're going to be able to take those ideas back to our clubs.
I first started the 4-H program at the age of 8, so I've kind of had the full cycle of the program, but I originally came into the program as a pretty quiet and reserved kid, and it might be kind of hard to tell that now, but truthfully, I've gotten out of my comfort zone, and now I've had the opportunity to represent 4-H at the local, county, district, state, and even national level now. I think the biggest thing that it offers is lifelong skills, but it also has a project area meant for everyone, ranging from STEM to livestock showing to robotics. There's projects for everyone in the 4-H program.
So 4-H really opens a lot of opportunities no matter what the kid's interest is. So if it's anywhere between arts, sciences, really anything they have an interest in, we can help them be a professional in that area, giving them a career opportunity in their future, or just have fun with it. So everything they learn leadership-wise or just for fun in 4-H gives them an opportunity in their future.
There's several leadership opportunities we have county officers, local officers, district officers, state officers, and there's also so many trips. It's a lot of fun. We go to DC, you can go to New Mexico. There's just a lot of really cool trips, and I truly think that you will find your people, you will find your family, because that's where I have found my family.
I'm most excited for our workshops, also about to hear some state officer speeches here in a little bit, and we're going to elect a new state officer team soon, so I'm super excited for that.
So I'm most excited for Roundup because I get to see a lot of old friends, a lot of people that I've grown up in 4-H with. It'll be my last time here, so I'm just excited to see everybody. I have a lot of memories from Roundup. You know, I've met most of my friends at Roundup. Honestly, since I got into the Innovator program, this Roundup is just, I don't know, it's been a lot more fun to me. So,
don't be afraid to take a chance, because the truth is, guys, I honestly wouldn't be in the position that I am today without taking that chance. And all it took was a few words of encouragement from some of my fellow 4-H people.